2025. The world of military-grade transporters takes an unexpected, electrifying turn. Inside a mirror-polished luxury showroom, surrounded by soft white walls and golden ambient light, stands a beast unlike any other. The VELTRONIX H5-AEROCLAD Beastliner. A name that already whispers dominance, now roars with presence. This isn't just a machine. It's a war-bred throne on wheels, wrapped in elegance and forged in power. At first glance, your senses are immediately pulled toward the color. A dual-tone finish of light pink and soft golden chrome, a combination you wouldn't expect on something this large, this intimidating. And yet, it works. It's seductive, gentle from afar, deadly up close. The light flows smoothly across its body, reflecting off angular, stealth-cut panels designed to deflect radar, command stares, and vanish into the battlefield like a ghost, of gold and rose. But nothing prepares you for the size. Standing in its presence, the VELTRONIX H5-AEROCLAD feels more like a fortress than a truck. Its structure is unapologetically massive. The sculpted front bumper alone is enough to silence a crowd. It extends outward in alien-like fashion, forged from overlapping chrome plates with embedded golden light strips pulsing gently. Right above it, boldly engraved in glowing strokes, the name: VELTRONIX H5-AEROCLAD. That name isn't a label. It's a warning. As you circle it, the sheer proportions take over. This isn't a standard six-wheeler. It's an 18-tire mega unit with tires that make military tanks look like toys. Each tire is ultra-massive, finished with deep claw-marked treads and precision-forged alloys. Soft golden lighting beneath them gives the entire undercarriage a throne-like glow, as if the vehicle is levitating on radiant energy. You walk closer, and you realize it's not just the size, it's the detailing. Every bolt, every line, every angle feels handcrafted for dominance. The lighting system is no less dramatic. Front-mounted high-intensity beams cut through the air like twin spears. Beneath the belly, golden strip lights curve along the edges, like a snake of fire giving off a cinematic halo on the polished showroom floor. And behind, rising from the rear hatch,